Hi guys, nice to meet you. Alright, right now we are going to talk about why children learn English faster than adults. There are two factors why children learn English faster than adults. Number one, limiting belief. Number two, psychological obstacles. Let's start from number one, limiting belief. Let's see from children's side. If children learn English as the first language, they will learn it automatically. For example, if children learn vocabulary eat.
If my mom say eat, my mom enter the meal to her mouth and then chew and then swallow. If my dad say eat, do the same thing. My brother and sister do the same thing.
So, children learn by make the experiment and after that analyze and then make the conclusion. Okay, that's it. It will make the vocabulary safe in their long-term memory. If the children learn English as the second language, what children know is just
my parents turn on the English video for me and I have to watch, enjoy the video. Or my parents bring me to the English course and then I enjoy the teaching in this class.
Next, let's see from the adult side. Most of the adults have some breaks when they are starting to learn English. English is difficult. Is it right or wrong? Those are the breaks that make you doing the learning process not automatically. Seems that if you want to drive your car fast, of course you have to step on your gas without handle your brake. The children learn English by that, and the adult learn English by step on the gas and then handle the brake in the same time. So the car will not run fast. So that's our belief that limit our learning process. Number two, psychological obstacles. In psychological obstacles, we talk about feeling worried. How if I make a mistake? Is it correct or not? My pronunciation? Let's see from children's side. When children learning English, they just in two conditions, interested and not interested. If they are interested, yes, they will listen carefully, enjoy, absorb the materials. And if they're not interested, you just maybe they daydreaming, talk with their friends, or doing what they want to do in the class, just like that. But it's different with the adult, right? When the adults are not in focus, they cannot absorb the materials from the teacher in joining the course, they will think, okay, I spend much money to pay this course. How if I get nothing? I lost my money. And then the second, self-esteem. Let's see from children's side. Children learn English by making mistakes and they don't care if they make a mistake. If their friends make a laugh for them, you just do the same thing. They laugh together and that's it. Let's see from the adult side. Most of the adults will feel that their self-esteem decrease because of other people's judging. If I make a mistake, what people say to me? Do people say that I'm stupid, not fast learner? I'm not ready when people judge me stupid because my English is not as perfect as my friends, my colleague, client, or the other. The next psychological obstacles is that the adults have other responsibility in their working, social life, and sometimes make them getting sad and stressed. Psychologically, when we are learning in negative emotion like sad, worry, afraid, stress, it will make us not learning 100%. The next psychological obstacles is about priority. Let's see from children's side. If children learn English as the first language, they just, okay,
if I want to communicate with my parents, my environment, I have to understand about English.
If the children learn English as the second language,
then they just make one focus. Okay, I'm learning, I enjoy the learning. If I don't enjoy, I do the other things. I don't care.
Let's see from the adult side. if the adult here is working people, usually they have the other responsibility, right, in their working. If in the same time they are into choice learning English or responsibility, of course I have to priority my responsibility in my working. So I conclude that why children learn English faster than adults, because of 1. Limiting belief, number 2. Psychological obstacles. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.